So shebadda, I'm gonna ask you something right now. Mama ask you a question, shebadda. If Spice want buy Louis bag, if she want buy Prada bag, if she want buy any type of bag what she want buy, the woman is supposed to buy anything she want buy. The woman supposed to buy anything she want buy. Anything she want buy, she's supposed to buy, shebadda. And you follow back a mudfish, you follow back a me, and shebadda treat her like a dog. Shebadda treat her like a dog. Yo, baby, put that dog in the cage, man. Put him in the cage. Can I see my back up on my foot there? If the woman never go into the store, go snap when she buy her bag and post, who that say the woman things fake? Oh, the bad mind, sir. Oh, the bad mind, sir. Red eye. Oh, the bad mind, a red eye. Yeah, me did a store up all right. Shebadda mudfish when come off a Spice name now. Every attack, Shebadda attack. Every attack, Shebadda attack. Shebadda attack Spice. And Shebadda is a marina boy. Shebadda from we know you're marina, you wear. Be a marina the first. And the first we ever see in our sweater. And the first we ever see another sweater, and I must throw over whisper to the cool. And the first we ever see another in our sweater, shebadda. Every mention, she mentioned the woman name. Look how long the woman sing about Prada, Louis Vuitton, and all type of them things. And long before she knows she could have wear it. When she a try boss. So if she have her money now, I want to buy it. Make she buy it. Apart from the girlfriend I know, man. Give her a bit some blood clot breathing space. Give her a bit some breathing space. Man, take my hand. Man, take on me. That would be a blood clot match. Don't drink it. You're too red eye. You're too red eye. Yeah, it's just like shebadda mudfish. It's too red. I forgot to Kirk the one I want to come from. Kirk want to come from on his red eye. Yeah, Kirk want to come from on the red eye. This is not in the buzz more. That's what I like. That's what I like my weed. Now catch a buzz for the okay for sure. This time make me all burn up my blood clot house. Now catch a buzz for this girl. Team blood clot Spice. Team Spice. Shebadda here play out. People stop saying lordy. We not hear the first day again a different thing around. But I choose red eye for true. Don't they say the whole of them come from she mudfish and shebadda them red eye for true. Red eye. From 2005, shebadda have one. From 2005, shebadda have one Prada van with the whole of the dashboard, bubble up the blood clot. You ever see bubble bath yet? I saw shebadda dashboard bubble up. Dashboard bubble up. The one trip shebadda give mudfish it get to him head. The one trip shebadda give mudfish it just get to mudfish head, sir. And mudfish is a broke batty man. Yes, a broke Batman mudfish. You can't call Spice. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, Spice. All of we come from one country. Here we have bring the woman and tear down the woman. My class are yes, but I mean for class I'm not saying about time. My taxi a man used to beat her on a true. My talk what I know. What Spice could I do for you? What Spice could I do to you, sir? Kill shebadda dead, him a one blood clot girl. Kill him dead, him a one girl and innocent full of blood clot. Right after shebadda sinking, so they can catch water in it. In after shebadda sinking, I block like you catch water in it. At first celebrity, me know they like drink inshore. If we drink inshore and boots up back in body, in my mudfish look like him pass out and come back 4 times. Cause mudfish him look like him pass out 4 times and come back. No, you can't do it right so. Yeah, inshore, him not drink inshore, him not eat steamed fish, him eat fish, come a fish. Me have to eat me like taste me sometime. Me has to eat me like taste me sometime. Hey Tina, what more? Tina check in, girl. That girl from Jamaica check in. Real Barbie boss bitch them down a yard. Cause remember you want tough old junk when remember me not ship, me not no figure. Me not too nice. So me have to give nice girl preps. You know the rules.